Rayan Johnson, coach, Vere.
All right, Mr. Johnson, you guys scored an early goal. What was the instruction going out in the second half? Because you guys didn't come out as though you guys started off the first half. What do you think happened in the second half? Why you guys didn't start with that same amount of energy?
A couple of things. I mean, one thing, when I give a team instruction and they don't follow it, then things like this will happen. We asked them to come out and try to possess the ball. I think that was one of the reasons why we got the first goal. We do it in patches, so it didn't play in our favour. But I mean, we have to give Foga some thumbs up because they came out fighting. But I'm pleased with my team. I'm pleased that we were able to hold it. You know, even when we went down to 10 players, we were still able to fight.
Yeah, when you guys went down to 10 players, what you really told the players to really keep their head up high and to dig into the game, even try to go out in the last 10 minutes of the game. I see you guys hunting a goal in the same sense. What you really told the players to really keep that level of confidence?
No, I let them know that they need to remember the quality that they possess. I mean, this is maybe our worst game right through pre-season up into this is our third game into the season, and this is our worst game we've played. But I just let them know that just go out there and keep fighting. I mean, there's a chance for us to win it. So go and push.
All right, coach, and congrats and see you guys again.
Okay, no problem.